On this episode of ijdm, another Ryobi product, we're taking a look at the ONE+ 18-volt precision craft rotary tool. This is just something I've been wanting and needed, and they had a deal with if you buy the batteries, which I did need some batteries, then they would give you a free tool of your choice, and there was a bunch of them set out at the store where you know to buy them. They are not a sponsor, nor is Ryobi. I did purchase this myself. Ryobi, if you do want to become a sponsor and send me some test products, sure, why not? But until then, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we got inside.
Another visitor. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Okay, let's get right to it. I went ahead and unboxed it off camera. Well, again, catching me on this one. That's not totally true. I do unbox, then rebox, then unbox these again. So it's an unbox, rebox, unbox thing. It's not really a true unbox. So I might have told a little fib there. But anyhow, the general point is this tool actually has never been used. I usually test them, but I haven't had time. And inside this little compartment, we have your cutting discs, little pad thing, which I'm not really sure it's for, and various other tools. Now, I'm not actually going to be cutting anything or going over that part of it. I just want to do an unboxing and what's actually included with this Ryobi tool. And they do give you a fair amount of different tools, and I'm sure there's little kits you can buy. But one thing I got to say that I do like about this actual Ryobi tool is this little handy dandy, I don't know, I kind of like this configuration for this tool. And I mean, I've had different other products like what is it called, the Dremel or whatever, which kind of started this whole thing. Maybe they were around before then. But anyhow, let's go ahead and, I don't know where I was going with that one. Come on, we're not all perfect. And we do this, like I say, we try to do it in one cut without having to, so we can give you more videos and there's less time in between when they're released. So this looks like some kind of release thing for the actual tool. You tighten it up here. They got the little wrench thing, I believe, for adjustments or tightening stuff. And let's just go ahead and put this on low power. All right, yeah, it's spinning. Oh yeah, oh, I think I burned my finger there. Yeah, something about a new tool, sometimes you turn it on and it's not very often these days. It's usually like more of a foul smell, but that's like, I don't know, that smell I just got. It's almost like an old 80s electronic or 90s electronic. You open that box and first turn it on, it's just weird. Wow. Well done on that, Ryobi. I like that. I guess maybe it's the little extra pieces of plastic maybe in the assembly, but yeah, this thing throws some juice. I honestly believe it's more powerful than my other one. But your power switch is here, your dial to basically adjust, your speed here. The cord, I still have it wrapped, and then the battery attaches on the bottom. So there's not much to say, and then the little cradle. I think this little slot here is for the wrench, but I'm probably not going to keep the wrench there because that's just an invitation. Like it's not. Yeah, see, that's no good. We'll keep that right in there. Maybe that's not what that's for. Maybe it's just something for, I don't know, a little air vent or whatever. But overall, I'm going to use this tool obviously for cutting tiles, cutting different things and various projects around the house. If there's a demand for people to see more with this tool, then obviously I will show more as I am actually getting ready to start remodeling and construction on a couple of my bedrooms in the house and kind of updating them and getting new carpeting. So this will probably come in handy at some point. And if there is a call for me to do more videos on this product, then I'll show some of that and film some of that and do a follow-up later on. That'll do it for this ijdm. Be sure to hit those two buttons. You know what they are. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.